Cybersecurity. Have you ever dreamed of learning programming or cybersecurity but didn't know where to start? Welcome to CyberCrate. Hands-on tech learning, from scratch, with confidence. Who are we? We're a tech education channel focused on programming, cybersecurity, and network engineering. Our content is built on one principle: practice first, theory second. Because we believe real understanding starts with real experience. Why CyberCrate? Our courses are built entirely from scratch, with a clear and logical flow. We guide you step by step, from your very first line of code to your first complete project. We stay away from complicated jargon and focus on clarity and simplicity. What you'll learn. You'll learn Python and JavaScript programming, ethical hacking and security techniques, network analysis and protocols, Linux and Kali operating systems, and how to use modern OSINT and cybersecurity tools. Our teaching style. Our videos are short and straight to the point. Each lesson includes a live, hands-on application. You'll build real-world projects with downloadable files and editable code to experiment with. Do I need prior knowledge? Not at all. We start from absolute zero, as if you've never touched a computer before. We explain every concept in simple terms and move step by step, so you can learn and apply with confidence. Our goals. Our mission is to spread tech literacy in an easy-to-understand way. We aim to train a new generation of programmers and ethical hackers. We bridge the gap between theory and hands-on practice, helping you enter the tech job market with strength. Who is it for? CyberCrate is made for students in tech fields, anyone interested in cybersecurity, people looking to start programming, and passionate hobbyists who want to build a strong tech career. What's next? Subscribe to the channel now and start your first training series for free. Download the files, practice, and share your experiences and projects. CyberCrate isn't just a channel, it's a practical tech community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Be the next expert in ethical hacking and networking.